So here are the common mistakes that we see a lot when people are using carvies and X-carves. First one, looks okay at first, except, they didn't cut all the way through. They did not measure how deep the board was. So this piece is firmly stuck inside of here. They cut the second piece off with a scroll saw. Next one. These guys did not outline the outside of their puzzle pieces. They left it on path, and so you can see that this piece right here is not going to be the shape they want it to be to fit together. Third one. They carved this O way too deep. They were putting a word in here, and you can see that it's almost the whole way through this board. I stopped it from carving the rest because it was going to take hours and hours and hours, and it's much deeper than it needs to be. Next one. These folks wasted a board. They were trying to make something, and instead of putting their stuff on the corner and using just a little bit of the corner, they wrote right in the middle, and this board is now wasted. Same with this one. Big solid board, used about 3 times too much material. Here's a piece. He didn't measure to cut deep enough, but also things were going to be too thin. So this is a phone case somebody was trying to make. He was planning on using 1/4 inch material. He wound up using 1/2 inch. Didn't notice. So now this board is wasted. The mistake here is making a piece that you don't care about. This is a waste of material just because it is a piece that somebody didn't care about. They were just trying to use the machine. This project, they didn't measure the board entirely, so it went off the side. Here's a bad one. So, this is close to what they were trying to make, and of course they were cutting really deep, and some things went wrong. When they tried to redo it, they weren't watching the board, and this was really hard on the machine as it was trying to do this. Really hard on the machine. Here's a piece where, if you look at the lettering here, they didn't check to see that the words would actually come out the way they wanted them to. Now, this piece, do you see how off-center the circle is from the rest of them? What happened is that the bit hit a clamp. They clamped it right here, and as the bit was coming around to make this circle, it hit it, couldn't move, and then everything it did after that point was off-center. So the bit hit the clamp, so the cut was messed up.